What's free? What's free? Freedom. Freedom. What's free? Free is when you start thinking for yourself. What's free? That thinking's worth so begging people for help. What's free? People for help. Nobody else can tell us how we do. Yeah, nobody really can tell. What's free? Free is finally when you break out from your spell. Plus free is also when in controlling what we see. What's free? 1 million. Post Malone. 1 million. What's free? 1 million. 1 million. Free. Freedom is expensive. Yeah, she go check the price range. We do have a but then we still ain't free. We can see between the lines, but then we still can't repair it. We can see between the lines, but we still can't repair it. What's free? Still living in the chains, but the eyes still can't see that.
1 trillion, 1 billion.
1 billion, 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 1 billion.
What's free? Freedom.
What's free?
Love you.
What's free? Free is when you start thinking for yourself, bro. Free is when you start thinking for help. What's free? Free is when nobody else can tell us how it will be.
Really terror.
Free is finally when you break out from this spell. Break out from this spell. Break out from 1 million, 1 million. Post Malone say 1 million. I say 1 billion, 1 trillion.